That's a really important point you make about creating your opportunities. I mean, it's way, way beyond financial planning and investing. We didn't get into this in detail, but whatever those things are for you and what they've been in your life, those opportunities that you've created, they weren't luck, right? Because you were prepared and you were aware that an opportunity was presenting itself. And many people, they have blinders on and they don't see the opportunities because they're just not aware of them. But it's a common, I speak to a lot of successful people on this show, and there's a common denominator from everybody I've spoken to so far. They all recognize opportunity when it's in front of them, and they're willing to take some risk, different levels of risk. And they all realize it's not really luck. You're prepared and you seize the opportunity, but then you back it all by action. You're doing something, which is the difference between having a dream and actually having something come true. You just took action.
Yeah. So, there's one other thing. There's one other aspect to this whole thing. When we made this date to have this conversation, I started to think a bit about the choices that I'd made. And I think it's really important to understand that plans never go. It never works exactly the way you think it will.
Never.
Never.
And if you embrace the uncertainty, it can be a lot of fun.
Right.
If you embrace that the uncertainty is there for a reason, and that's where the lessons happen.